Today, with the progress of technology and the benefits of mass production, human beings enjoy a level of convenience never seen before. For example, various heat compression and injection products have become everyday appliances. Melamine dinner sets, EVA tires, automobile parts are just a few examples of products that make life a little bit easier. Chang Mechanical Industrial Company Limited manufactures many different rubber injection molding machines and heat compression molding machines. We have also developed oil hydraulic machines. We use the latest technology available to manufacture accurate, high-quality, and stable machines. To consistently meet the demands for new products, we evaluate performance in staff polls. All in all, we consistently pursue our goal of being the #1 mechanical and industrial product company in Asia and the world. Elaborate management improves upon perfection. Chang Mechanical and Industrial Company Limited was established in 1971 under the leadership of President Huang Chin-Huo. Mr. Chin-Huo accumulated more than 30 years of experience in the research, development, and production of oil hydraulic compression molding machines. He consistently placed a priority on management. Always be loyal to the obligation. Give more than enough thought to operate the business, he said. Following in his footsteps, Chang always demands the best for its clients, from scientific research to craftsmanship, and finally to the explicit high quality of our products. The progress of our enterprise relies heavily on the discipline of talented individuals. For example, our research and development team continues to expand their educational insight and knowledge of current technology and innovation. This ensures that our staff is up to date and upholds high standards of professionalism. In fact, the entire company works together as a team of individuals who strive wholeheartedly for honor and loyalty. This is the main reason Chang has always led the way in the field of oil hydraulic molding machines. Thanks to our strong research and development department and our dedication to the highest of skill levels, Chang has achieved a great amount of recognition and identifications from people in every professional territory. In 1996, Chang acquired the Certificate of Patent for Rubber Injection Molding Machines. 2000, we obtained the CE Certificate of Mechanical Safety from the German TUV company. At present, Chang is continuing to develop a number of highly functional and highly accurate products with patents to bring a higher level of safety and convenience to our clients. Chang promotes its products worldwide and obtains identification and approval from global end users and dealers. They are represented at industry exhibitions and promotions everywhere in the world. These are used to distribute our products through mainland China, Japan, Southeast Asia, Sweden, Germany, France, South Africa, the United States, and South America. Our positive global image sells not only our products, but also a reputation that the Taiwanese people can be proud of. Upon ordering, customers will find that Chang uses the most advanced computerized devices to design and draw graphics and plans to fit the client's needs. We are responsible for all aspects of research, development, and improvement. Our precise assembly process guarantees that all functions are repeatedly tested with advanced instruments. From the initial parts, accessories, and computerized interfaces to the final assembly and dispatch at our factories, you can be sure that the highest quality control measures are maintained. We firmly stand behind the accuracy of all our machines. Furthermore, we draw upon the downstream partners in the satellite system to exchange cooperative views. This feedback loop often improves our products. An introduction to current longchang products. Rubber and silicone injection molding machine. With a low revolution, stepless oil hydraulic motor, this high horsepower machine can drive screws for material feeding. This unique screw can achieve transference or any rubber material. There is also an oil heating temperature controller to allow for quick temperature adjustment and prevent dead material. Any natural or synthetic rubber, oil heat-proof plastic, and reclaimed rubber can be ejected and shaped with additional materials. For example, this is the perfect machine for the manufacture of all rubber and solid silicone automotive parts, i.e. spark plugs. This machine also has a diamond-type declining check valve for passing material smoothly and an anti-spill device for rubber material overflow prevention. Automatic compression molding machine. This machine belongs to the series of general machines. It features an ease of operation for extra working operations. It is suitable for the molding processes of melamine dinner sets, Bakelite products, brake lining, etc. EVA foam tire compression molding machine. The performance of this type of machine is determined by the EVA foam tire products, if they are good or bad, or the output quantity is big or small. The speed of operation and the requirement of strict precision have made this type of machine nearly flawless. The assistance for the whole plant equipment output. Longchang ensures an objective and sincere service towards our clients. Our experience in whole plant equipment output confirms that you will benefit from our full assistance, whatever the material, equipment, technology, and whole plant output. Should any problem arise with one of our machines, we will utilize our customer service network and set out to fix it immediately. The trusting satisfaction of Longchang's customers upholds our commitment to our clients. This responsibility will never change. We have won praise from our customers and our peers by means of unbeatable craftsmanship, the highest of quality control measures, and top-notch post-sales service. We are now experiencing a new industrial revolution. To survive the 21st century, we must embrace new technologies as rapidly as they change. We figure prominently in the values of this new trend while maintaining high levels of customer support and interaction. We desire to act as lead navigator in the changing tide of global technology and manufacture. Our course is charted on this new ocean. With our partners in tow, we sail onward towards the seashore of marvelous success.